So as you can see guys, natatanaw natin talaga dito yung beach property ng nasa Costa. And aside from beach view, right? So ang maganda guys dito sa property dito, aside from beach view, meron din dito na mountains. Alright, so currently this is the ongoing site development of Nasa Costa, a project of Santa Lucia Land Development Incorporated. So this is the Tower 1 condominium property in Nasa Costa. So this is a low-rise condominium, so it has 6 floors all in all. So actually guys, there will be 6 towers soon to be constructed, but currently there are 2 towers that are ongoing construction and development. So available guys dito ang studio type unit, 1 bedroom unit, 2 bedrooms and 3 bedroom units for another tower. So napakaganda ng location na ito kasi napaka nature friendly, malapit siya sa dagat, malapit siya sa mountains, and definitely you are free from pollution. All right. So guys, this project is really good for investment. Alright? Kasi napakaganda nito at napakalapit nito sa beach area. So nakikita natin sa likod ng Tower 1 ay ang ongoing construction ng Tower 2. So kung mapapansin guys natin na lahat ng units ay merong balcony. So guys, puntahan naman natin ngayon ang Tower 2. So guys, papunta sa Tower 2. So as you can see, meron tayong beach view. And of course, itong view ng mountains. Okay, so napaliligiran siya guys ng bundok. So guys, this is actually the Tower 2 of Nasa Costa. This is just right at the back of Tower 1. So this is considered as a prime tower kasi mas malalaki yung mga cuts or square meters ng bawat units.